Hi, hello friends. Welcome again to Jesus the Light. I hope you all are doing good. For today's thought, he that walks with wise men shall be wise, but a companion of fools shall be destroyed. Proverbs chapter 3 verse 20. Yes, dears, think that how we are spending our times. We are spending more times with our friends means our thinking also will be like them only. What are the things we are discussing mostly? Our things, our thoughts, everything will be depends on that only. So if we are sitting and talking with a wise man, then our knowledge, our talkings, our everything will change like them. If we are sitting in the foolish people with the foolish people, then we also will addict for the foolness. So wherever we are sitting, wherever we are spending our times, our mind, our thinking, everything will become like them only. So I suggest you that take Jesus as your best friend because he can give wisdom to everyone. His wisdom only endures for long, and also he only can give us enough knowledge to walk in the world and to win the world. We may have lots of friends, they also can give us good suggestions, they can help us in our difficulties, and also they can do all the good things for us. But I'm sure in some situations they may can't help us. So, but our God Christ will always be with us. He can help us in all ways. He can give us enough wisdom to us. If we are walking with Him, if we are holding His hand, and if we are always hearing His words, then we also become like Him. How can we get wisdom from our God Christ? He has given us the special book that is really it's very special. Lots and lots of informations are there in Bible. The one who is reading the whole Bible and searching again and again in Bible can get more knowledge because many things are given. If we are searching again and again and we are reading again and again, we can get enough wisdom and knowledge from Bible. So when we are taking Jesus as our best friend, he can show a correct path to us and he will lead us to read the Bible and to get enough knowledge and wisdom. That knowledge will help us to win this world. Because in this world many things are there to distract us and to destroy us. If we are if we are strong with our Jesus Christ, and if we are strong in Bible verses, then he will lead us, then he will be with us, he will protect us from all the evil things. And if we are spending our time with the fools means I'm sure will become a fool. But if we are sharing our times with wise men, with the wise friends means really we can achieve this world, we can achieve special things in this world. Moreover, if we are taking Jesus our best friend means I'm pretty sure we can enjoy this world, we can win the world, and we can do whatever we want in this world. So let's catch Jesus hand and let's walk with him. He will guide us. He is our best friend. Thank you. Amen.